Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to make a hedgehog with crochet. So to make this hedgehog I have used single crochet stitches and bubble stitches and total 20 rounds to get this size of the hedgehog. You can make this with any thread of your choice. Here I have used acrylic yarn. You can use this in any of your home decoration or as a crochet toy. So let's see what all you need to make this hedgehog. So to make this I am going to use this gray color acrylic yarn to make the body and this white color to make the face, and to make the eyes and nose I am going to use this black thin cotton thread, and for this thread I am going to use this crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. You will also need some fiber. So before we start to make this hedgehog, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this hedgehog. So in round 1, first make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. You can get a detailed video on how to make a magic ring in my previous videos. Once you have a ring, in this ring first we are going to make 5 single crochet stitches. So chain 1, so after 5 single crochet stitches, now make one bubble stitch. To make the bubble stitch you have to make 5 incomplete double crochet stitches. So to make the incomplete double crochets, what you have to do, now take your thread in your hook, now take your hook in this ring, now grab the thread and pull through that ring. So you will have 3 loop in your hook. Now grab this yarn and pull through first 2 loop. So this is your first incomplete double crochet stitch and you have 2 loop in your hook. Now again grab the thread, take this in that ring, grab the thread and pull through that. Now grab the thread and pull through first 2 loop. So this is second incomplete double crochet stitch. Like this you have to make 3 more incomplete double crochets. So total 5 incomplete double crochets and we have 6 loop in our hook. Now grab this thread and pull through all 6 loop in your hook. Now take your hook in this ring and make one single crochet. Just pull this loose end to close this ring. So this is our 1 bubble stitch and 5 single crochet stitches. Now in next rounds also you have to make the bubble stitch like this. Make 5 incomplete double crochets and pull the thread from all the loops in your hook to make this bubble stitch. Now in the starting chain 1 just make a slip stitch to complete this round. So round number 1 is done. Now in round number 2, in next stitch make 2 single crochets, so 1 and one more in same space, so 2. Like this you have to make 2 single crochets in next 4 single crochets from the previous round. You can see the 2 stitches, so this is my single crochet, so top of that make 2 single crochets, so 12 stitches, and this is my last slip stitch, so top of that again make a slip stitch to complete round number 2. Now in round number 3 we are going to make 1 bubble stitch, and in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So to make the bubble stitch again make 5 incomplete double crochet in next stitch, so 5 incomplete double crochets. Now just pull this thread and pull through all 6 loop in your hook and just push this bubble little bit up, so 1 bubble stitch, and top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, so 1 and 2. So we have to repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and in next stitch make 1 single crochet, so 1 bubble stitch and 1 single crochet. So like this repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and next stitch make 1 single crochet. So at the end of this round you will have 6 single crochet stitches and 6 bubble stitches, so in total 12 stitches. So I've completed my round number 3 and 6 bubble stitches and 6 single crochet. Now in round number 4 we are going to make 2 single crochets in each stitch from the previous round. So this is my very first stitch, make 2 single crochets here, put the marker in your first stitch, then this is my next single crochet, here make 2 single crochets, then in next bubble stitch make 2 single crochet. Like this you have to make 2 single crochets, and at the end of round number 4 you will have 24 stitches. So 24 stitches is done. In round number 5 we are going to make 1 bubble stitch in next stitch and 1 single crochet in next stitch. Here we are not going to make slip stitches, we are going to work continuously. So top of very first stitch from the previous round, make 1 bubble stitch. So make first 5 incomplete double crochets. So 5 incomplete double crochets. Now make bubble. Top of next stitch, make 1 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Put the marker in your first stitch. Again in next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and in next stitch make 1 single crochet, and like this repeat the stitches till your last stitch. And at the end of this round you will have 12 single crochet stitches and 12 bubble stitches, so total 24 stitches. So round number 5 is done, and we have now 12 bubble stitches and 12 single crochet stitch, so total 24. Now in round number 6 we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch from the previous round. 1, 2, put the marker in your first stitch, then this is my next stitch, so 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So like this complete round number 6 with 24 single crochet stitches. Now 24 single crochet. Now in round number 7, next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So 1 bubble stitch and 1 single crochet. Put the marker in your first stitch. Like this repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So at the end of round number 7 again we will have 24 stitches, in which we have 12 single crochets and 12 bubble stitch. So round number 7 is done. Now in round number 8 we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch from the previous round, so total 24 single crochet stitches. Put the marker in your first stitch and make 1 single crochet and complete round number 8. So round number 8 is done. In round number 9, in next stitch make 1 bubble stitch, and next stitch make 1 single crochet. So 1 bubble stitch, 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 1 bubble stitch and 1 single crochet. At the end of round number 9 you will have 12 single crochets and 12 bubble stitches, so total 24 stitches. So round number 9 is done. Now in round number 10 we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in each stitch from the previous round, So to make the half double crochet, take your thread in your hook. Now take your hook in top of very first stitch, grab the thread and pull through that. Now grab the thread and pull through all 3 loop in your hook. So this is your half double crochet stitch. Put the marker. Now in next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, 2, next stitch 1 half double crochet. So like this, make 1 half double crochet in remaining stitches. So at the end of round number 10, you will have 24 half double crochet stitches. So round number 10 is done. Now in round number 11, make first chain 1. Now we are going to work on this half double crochet post. So after chain 1, take your hook from behind to front like this. Now take your hook. Now take your hook at the back side of that stitch. Now grab this thread and pull through that from that post. Now make 1 single crochet. Again take your hook from back to front like this, and this is my half double crochet. So take your hook from front to back of that half double crochet. Now grab this thread and pull through that post like this. Now make 1 single crochet. Now again take your hook from back to front. Now so this is my next double crochet. Now take your hook from front side of that double crochet and take out the back side like this. Now grab this thread and pull through from this front side to this back side like this. So and make 1 single crochet. So you can see this single crochets we are making just below of this half double crochet stitches. So like this you have to make 1 single crochets. So at the end we will have 24 single crochet stitches. So when you work on your last stitch, here we are going to change our color. Now take your second color and we are going to attach this color here. So grab this thread and pull through this 2 loop in your hook. Just pull your first color thread, cut your first color, so our second color come in our hook and we are going to make these stitches now from our second color. Now in next round we are going to make 1 single crochet in top of each stitch from the previous round. So you can see this stitches is from half double crochet and this stitches from single crochets of our last round. So we are going to work on our last round. So on top of very first stitch from the previous round, take your hook and make 1 single crochet. Then top of next stitch make 1 single crochet, then next 1 single crochet. So like this you have to make total 24 single crochets. Now we have 24 single crochet stitches. At this point I'm going to stuff this gap. In round number 13 we are going to decrease these stitches. So first in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet, after 6 single crochet we are going to decrease 1 single crochet. So to do the decrease, now take your hook in front loop of that next single crochet, then take the front loop of next single crochet like this. So you have 3 loop in your hook. Now grab this thread and pull through the first 2 loop. So you have 2 loop. Now grab the thread and pull through next 2 loop. So like this we have decreased 1 single crochet. Now you have to repeat these stitches. Now again in next 6 single crochets make 1 single crochet, then make 1 decrease, then into the next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet and make 1 decrease. So at the end of round number 13 we will have 21 stitches. So round number 13 is done. Round number 14, in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet, so 5 single crochets, then make 1 decrease, so 1 decrease. Like this you have to repeat these stitches. In next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, and then in next 5 stitches make 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. So at the end of round number 14 you will have 18 stitches. So round number 14 is done. Now in round number 15, in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet, so after 6 single crochets make 1 decrease, then into the next 4 stitches make 1 single crochet, then make 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. Now in round number 16, in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet, so 6 single crochets, then make 1 decrease, then into the next 3 stitches make 1 single crochet, after 3 single crochets make 1 decrease, then into the next 3 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 16 is done and we have 14 stitches. In round number 17, again in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet, After 6 single crochet stitches, now make 1 decrease. After 1 decrease, in next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 decrease. Then into the next 2 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 17 is done and we have now 12 stitches. Now at this point we are going to again stuff this gap. Round number 18, next 6 stitches. First we are going to make 1 single crochet. After 6 single crochet make 1 decrease. After 1 decrease, in next stitch make 1 single crochet. Then make 1 decrease. After 1 decrease, in next stitch make 1 single crochet. So now we have 10 stitches. Now at this point we are going to make the eye. Now take this black colored thread in a needle and this is the front side. So this is the top side from where we have making 6 single crochets. So just count 1, 2, 3 and 4th row from the top. So in the 4th row, so this is the top, just take this needle. So 1, 2, 3, 4th. So in the 4th row take out this needle. So this is going to be center and this 2 is going to be side eyes. So we made the eyes. Now in our next round we are going to make one single crochet in our next 6 stitches. Now make 1 decrease. Then make 1 more decrease. Now we have 8 stitches. Again just stuff this gap. Now at this point we are going to change our color. So if you want you can continue with white color and at the end make the nose, but here I am going to change the color to black to make the nose. Just when you make last stitch here, just remove this thread, and here we are going to attach our black color thread. So I'm using this embroidery thread. So just attach this color here. Now we are going to work with this black color. So in our next round we are going to make one single crochets in next 6 stitches. And then last 2 stitches make 1 decrease. So we have 8 stitches. Now in next round we are going to make one single crochet in next 6 stitch. So after 6 stitches make 1 decrease. Now we have 7 stitches. Now at the end just make one decrease to complete this round. Now just pull this thread, cut with some margin. Now take this thread in a needle. Now in our last we have now last 6 stitches, so just take the front loops of each stitch and just close this gap. So this is done. I hope you have learned from this video how to make this hedgehog. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take